What do you think makes really good barbecue? Is it a grill or maybe is it a smoker? I think it comes down to the story you can tell about our first really delicious barbecue.
Very good.
I'm living in the Philippines in September of 2000, and I remember I'm trying to make my way across town. And if you know anything about this particular country, traffic is really, let's just say it's not the best. And I'm cutting through small neighborhoods, and I come to this one street where there is several people outside char grilling some barbecue. And so we stopped. According to my sister-in-law, she said, Tim, you've got to try this. So we pulled over and we bought some barbecue. Sarap talaga. That means delicious. Alright, how do I look? Now, let's just simply cut these up and skewer them. Yes, you guessed it. We bought pig ears on a skewer, and I have to be honest with you, it really was good. And so I remember going back to that moment, I really wanted to remake it because I haven't made this particular dish. And it reminds me of going on those back streets, living in the Philippines, tasting this delicious barbecue. Yes, I know it was pig ears and cartilage, but if you're interested in this recipe, it'll be down below in the captions.